Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove card on Doordash on iPhone. So let's get into the video. So first thing, open up Doordash and then log into your Doordash account. You need to log into your Doordash account. So once you've logged into your Doordash account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on your profile here. There's a profile icon on your top right. Click on your profile icon. So when you get to your profile icon here, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down under account settings. There's an option called payment. Simply select payment. So when you get to payment section here, you'll see all your saved payment methods here. So if you want to remove a card that you have already saved on Doordash, so what you're going to do is simply select the card and swipe it to your left, something like this. When you swipe it to your left, you'll see the delete option popping out. Simply tap on the delete option to delete that card. So that's how you can delete or remove a card on Doordash on iPhone, by simply swipe to your left and then tap on the delete option, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.